Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So hope you all are fine. So today we are back with the topic which is quite common in the area of economics. If you talk about economics or business economics, everywhere you can just see this particular topic, which is nothing but circular flow of income. So now you can see today we will be only talking about a very small section of this particular topic, which is two sector model. Okay, so two sector model under closed economy we will be talking about. Okay, so I have only taken one part, so we have three different diagrams for this particular topic, but today I'm just covering one diagram. So now we'll just have to understand in this is that we are going to talk about what would have happened if you would have only two sectors in the economy. One is the household sector and the other one is the firm. So like if we run into two sector economy, so what will happen to your economy, how your economy will function, and how the income will flow from one sector to the another sector. So now let's just talk about first the assumption. So all these assumptions you'll have to keep in mind. The economy consists of two sectors, one is household and the other one is firm. Production takes place only in the firm. Okay, so the sources of production is only from the firm. Households are not having any kind of production in this. Entire income is spent by households, so whatever households are receiving the income in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit, so they are just spending the whole amount of money, they are not saving at all. There are no government operations, there are no international economic relation, because we are only talking about two sector model under closed economy. So there is no government operation and no economic relation, that means there is no trade. Okay, now just come to the diagram. I hope you all can see the diagram very nicely. So now you can just see this is the diagram which you can use. Okay, so this is a two sector which has been shown here. The first sector is household, the other sector is firm. Now you can see the same amount of money will flow from household to firm, and then from firm to household. So now how it will flow? So first of all we have to understand this. Households are basically the consumer sections and firms are basically the producer sections. Okay, so they are the owners of the factors of production and they are the users of the factors of production. So definitely for making the production, firm has to use the factors of production, and factors of production are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So as the household being the owner of the factors of production will supply the factors of production to the firm. Now firm will make use of these factors of production and then they will make the products. Firm will make the products out of it. Now after making the production, they'll just supply the goods and services to the household. Okay, because as you can see we have only two sectors, so one will be the purchaser, another will be the manufacturer. Okay, so firm will supply goods and services in the form of products and the services to the household. Now what will happen that when the household are providing the factors of production to the firm will be making the payment to them. Okay, so what firm is actually giving? The firm is giving payment to the household, which are rent, wages and interest and profit. Okay, so as household give factors of production, firm make payment to the factors of production, firm make the production out of the factors of production, they supply goods from their sectors to the household, and then households are actually purchasing those commodities. So again money is flowing from household to the firm. So this arrow is indicating the flow, how we are having a flow of factor of production from household to firm first, and then the firm is making the payment, so the money is going to the household. Now firm is producing the commodity and again supplying it to the household only. So the household, those who have received the payment from the firm, they are utilizing the same payment for buying the goods and services from the firm. So this is how the same money is just rotating around. So it's a kind of circle where the money is rotating from one place to the another. Okay, so now you can see this inner thing. This particular section is known as the money flow, because here is the consumption expenditure going on and here is the payment of factors of productions are going on. So this is known as the inner flow is known as the money flow, and the outer flow is known as the real flow. Okay, so this is how you can understand this. Now the same thing you can just understand with the explanation which I have given. So you all can just pause the explanation, you can just pause my video, and you can just get back to the explanation. You all can make a note of this, the same thing which I had explained you all can see from this particular explanation. So now you'll have to pause the video and you have to just make out the notes out of it. I hope you people have understood the topic now. So this is what we have covered, and orally I have given you all the explanation. Thank you so much.